Hello dear subscribers. Today we will tell you about a wonderful fruit. There are many varieties of pears, each with its own unique taste, shape and characteristics. Here are some popular varieties. Williams Bartlett. Taste, sweet and juicy. Uses, excellent for fresh consumption and canning. Growing time, ripe in August-September. Conference. Taste, sweet and soft flesh. Usage, ideal for fresh consumption and use in desserts. Growing time, ripens in September-October. Bourse. Taste, delicate, but with a unique sweet taste. Uses, good for cooking and fresh consumption. Growing time, ripens in September-October. Anjou. Taste, sweet and mild. Usage, for fresh consumption and cooking. Growing time, preserved in winter and ripens until spring. Asian pears. Taste, sweet and crispy, sugar edges with hands. Usage, great for fresh consumption. Growing time, ripens in August-October. Comic. Taste, very sweet and juicy, with creamy flesh. Usage, for fresh consumption and desserts. Growing time, ripens in September-December. Pear fruit is rich in various vitamins and minerals, which are beneficial for health. Proper storage and cultivation of pear varieties is important in maintaining their taste and quality. We are glad if you like our information. Until next time.